it's Taren. Welcome back to my channel. This video is another DIA&CO unboxing and try on. Y'all know DIA&CO has been hit or miss for me. I don't think I've ever canceled or like skipped a month. Y'all may know better than I can remember. But this month was a little weird. So earlier in the month, I got a shipping notification. And then like the next day, I got an email saying, hey, thank you for your return. And I thought, well, that's weird. I never got it. I didn't return anything and I'd been charged the $20. So I reached out to customer service. They emailed me back maybe the next day saying, hey, we're so sorry, we'll refund you. And I think that same day I got a new shipping notification for this box. So it's here. So my stylist this month is Jonelle. I think she's been my stylist for a while now. The first thing I want to show you in the box, which it may be my favorite, is this Donna Morgan like cherry button-up colored dress. It's adorable. It reminds me of like a 1950s or 60s like housewife dress. It's so cute. It has pockets. I like the pattern. The fit is good. It's a little bit snug in the bust, but not too snug where I would be uncomfortable wearing it. Alright, so it fit great. Would I actually wear this pattern? Probably not. I've said so many times though since getting this box, how cute would this be as a Halloween costume? I could wear it, Brian could dress up, we could be like super cute, I don't know as what, but I like it for that purpose. I don't know if I like it to actually wear all the time, but then when I see myself in the video and the pictures, I think, how adorable. So this is called the Ivy shirt dress and it's $85. It's a size 18 if I didn't say. $85. Next thing are these celebrity pink jeans. These might be my second favorite in the box. Only second because I think they're too short. These are bootcut jeans and when I pulled them out, I was absolutely in love with them. And I really wish that they would have been long enough, but I think they're just like a smidge too short. These are in a size 20. It doesn't say like the style and stuff. We'll go over that when we go over price. The feel is like typical celebrity pink jeans, almost like butter. You know, it's denim, but it's like a super soft denim. I love that it has no distressing on it whatsoever. Like I said, though, I just wish that these would have been a little bit longer. So these are called the Duffield Slim Bootcut Jean in Dark Wash, and they're $65. This top is such a pretty color. It's this beautiful, like, yellow floral. It's got an undershirt with this, like, sheer part on the top. I do like it. It screams spring to me. This is from the brand DC Jeans. I don't know if it's actually me. It's pretty, and I think that this yellow tone is a really pretty color. The back has this cute, like little V cutout. I like the flowiness of it. I like the fact that they think ahead and they put an undershirt underneath it. That way there's no issue with you having to like find a tank top and wear it or something. I thought that when I put this on, I bet this is a little bit pricey because it is in one of these subscription boxes. And I don't think that the quality reflects a higher priced item, but let's see. So this is called the Kennedy Sleeveless Blouse. It's $48. It's in a size 1X. So for $48, I don't think that the fabric reflects a top that's nearly $50. That's just me. I mean, yeah, there's cute details on it and stuff, but I don't know if I would pay, I know I wouldn't pay $48 for this. Now let's talk about this beautiful blue cardigan. This is from the brand Ryan Wythe. Yeah, Ryan Wythe. Wow, that is a mouthful. It's in a size 2X. I absolutely love the color. It is beautiful. It has this like weird like sheen, like shiny fabric where the buttons meet. It's a little bit strange to me, so I wonder if this is meant to be buttoned up. I don't know. Let me know. I tried it on with the yellow tank top for the video, but I also did put it on over that cherry dress because I thought, how cute to like top off my Halloween costume with a blue cardigan. It looked better with the tank top, just so you know. I don't really care for these like short, snug, slinky type cardigans. This is called the Avery 3/4 sleeve crew neck cardigan in royal blue. It's $55. And the very last thing in my box is this gray top from East Adeline. It's in a size 2X. I love the detail on the neckline. However, when I put it on, it like fits like a true neckline. I would have liked it if it was a little bit off the shoulder, like just a little bit more of a wider V I thought would be even prettier. This is a great quality top. I love the color. I love this detail that they put around the neck. It's pretty. It fits great. It is a little bit short, but other than that, I mean, I don't really have a problem with it. I do appreciate this little detail in the back, like this pleating. This is called the Alma short flutter sleeve with lace neck trim in the color charcoal gray. It's $49. So this is not the cheapest thing. The cheapest thing in the box is $48, that yellow sleeveless blouse. Alright, so now that you've seen everything in the box, the total is $302. DIA&CO credits your styling fee toward whatever you keep. That is $20. Plus, if you keep everything, you get 25% off. That brings the total to $206.50. My favorite thing are the jeans, I think, but they're a little bit too short. I do like the gray top, but I feel like if I kept it, I'm keeping the gray top just so I don't lose that $20 styling fee. So I don't know if I actually need it. So let me know your favorites, which you didn't like, in the comment section down below. I'll leave a direct link to sign up for DIA&CO in the description box. I'll also go online and try to find separate links for these items. That way, if you want them and you don't want to sign up for DIA&CO, you can absolutely click that link and buy it from there. So that's a wrap on this video. Thank you so much for watching it. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Be sure to hit the subscribe button, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.